Let's talk about ENA or the ENA price prediction. We've already been crashing for the whole day. We're down 5-6% on ENA, and we are basically having equal highs on the daily chart, which is always a little bit bearish. Here's what I think on the longer time frame and on the shorter term time frame. I have always promised you guys that I won't waste a second of your time, so I'll just say everything. First of all, long-term time frame jumped to 67.71. Short-term time frame to actually enter a short to take advantage of this dump. I'll wait for one of these highs, this or this high right here, to get broken because a lot of stop losses will be available there. So have two arrows right here going for these two. So when we go here and we have a confirmation of longs closing, we'll enter short. That's exactly how I'm planning to trade. And if you're wondering how I'm up so much on meme coins, use the link in the description down below to sign up for my course and my signal chat. I have all the resources in the description down below. Also in the description down below, I'll have some new user bonuses, exclusive bonuses that you can claim from BLOFIN. Basically for you can sign up and depositing, get $30 of future deposit by just depositing $50. So do check it out. This video is not financial advice. See you in the next video tomorrow.